solutions which are containing sugar and a medicinal substance. Usually sugar percentage is 66 to 66.7 percentage weight by weight. So here in the simple manner, how can we define syrups means they are, first one is concentrated and aqueous means they are containing water and they are containing sugar, okay, and they are containing the API or drug or medicinal substances also. So the mixture of all these things is called as syrups. Now the advantages of syrups, this formulation is having a pleasant taste, good taste, and there is no need of any additional preservative here because the sugar itself, it is acting as a preservative. Then types of syrups. The first one is simple syrup and medicated syrup and flavored syrup. So there are three types of this one syrups. And the method of preparation, how we are going to prepare the syrups. Here there are different steps which we supposed to follow in preparation of syrup. The first one is measure the quantity of purified water, then add sucrose gradually, then apply a gentle heat with continuous stirring, then heat until the sugar is completely dissolved, then cool the solution. So this is the first step. What we do here means, so we are going to measure the required quantity of purified water, then we are taken in a suitable beaker or any other equipment, we are taking the water, then required quantity of water, then we are adding sucrose to this water, then we are adding sucrose to this water, then we are going to apply the heat, with continuous stirring by using a glass rod. After that, the sugar become completely dissolved in that purified water, then allow it for cooling. After cooling, then we are adding the medicinal substances, that is drug or you can say API, then we are adding flavoring agents, then we are adding coloring agents, then we are adding then we are going for adjusting the final volume. So after that, for example, it is about a 20 ml. After adding all these things and water, the total volume is suppose 20 ml, but we require 30 ml. That is the desired volume. We require 30 ml. But after mixing all these things, after doing all this procedure, we are getting only 20 ml. Then we are adding additional 10 ml to that beaker to make up the volume. Which ingredient we are adding? We are simply adding the main solvent, that is water, to make up the volume. Then go for filtration if necessary. If any solid particulate matter is there which is not still soluble, still it is appearing in traces, then go for the filtration process. Then finally fill in a suitable container, and then label it. That's all. And now the next formulation is elixirs. What are elixirs? So elixirs are also the monophasic liquid dosage forms, and they are clear, sweet and hydroalcoholic solutions for oral use. See these characteristics, that is elixirs are clear and they are sweet in taste and they are containing water as well as alcohol. That is why it is called as hydroalcoholic solutions, and it is meant for oral use. What are the characteristics of elixirs? So it is less viscous as compared to syrups. It is viscous, but compared to syrups it is less viscous. Then it contains alcohol, whereas syrups does not contain any alcohol. Then uses so drugs soluble in alcohol uses we are using for that to solubilize to overcome from the solubility issue, that is, if any component or ingredient which is not easily soluble with water, so then we are adding alcohol to improve the solubility of that ingredient. Then what is the general method of preparation of this formulation? Step 1, the preparation of alcoholic solution, means here in the step 1 we are going to prepare the alcoholic solution. Then the medicament which is soluble in alcohol is dissolved in the required quantity of the alcohol. Means first we are going to prepare the alcoholic solution, then we are adding the medicament, to this solution, and we are going for dissolution process to dissolve that medicament. So alcohol helps in solubilizing the poorly soluble drug or ingredient or less soluble ingredient. How means? And it also helps in preserving the preparation. Then step 2, here we are going to prepare the another solution that is called as aqueous solution. Aqueous means here we are going to prepare the water. So the water soluble ingredients such as sweetening agents, flavoring agents, coloring agents, they are dissolved in the purified water. So here we are going to prepare the aqueous solution, that is, what are the ingredients apart from which are insoluble or poorly soluble in water, we are going to add here. So we are going to add, for example, sweetening agent we are going to add here, flavoring agent, then coloring agent. Okay, all these are dissolved in this aqueous solution or water. Then step 3, mixing of alcoholic and then aqueous solutions. So anyhow we have prepared two solutions. Okay, one is alcoholic solution and another one is aqueous solutions. So we have prepared two solutions. One is alcoholic and another one is aqueous. Okay. Then the aqueous solution is slowly added to the alcoholic solution. So this solution, that is aqueous solution, then the aqueous solution, for example it is aqueous solution and it is alcoholic solution, we are adding this aqueous solution slowly to the alcoholic solution with continuous stirring. Then important tool is the water is added to the alcohol, means the water is going to we are adding the water to the alcohol, that is aqueous to the alcoholic solution, not in the reverse manner. Why? Means it will cause precipitation. Suppose we are adding alcoholic solution to the water, then it will cause precipitation and turbidity. To avoid this, we are going to add aqueous solution to the water. Then step 4, that is adjustment of alcohol content and volume. Here we are going to do the volume makeup. Here we are going to do the volume makeup. That is, alcohol content is adjusted as per the formulation required. Then final volume is made up with the purified water or a mixture of both, that is hydroalcoholic mixture. Then step 5 says filtration process. Here we are going to do the filtration procedure to remove the any undissolved matter or precipitated matter or foreign particles, then in order to ensure the clarity and elegance. Then step 6 is packing and labeling. Then we are going to transfer in a suitable container so that we are going to label it and pack it. And in the label we are going to mention the usage and storage instructions. Then the next formulation is liniments. So liniments are the liquid or semi-solid preparations which are applied to the skin with rubbing.